Well, now it's about 5 o'clock and it started snowing again. It stopped for a while, but this is my yard now. It's unbelievable. And this is the biggest snow I ever saw in October. I think it snowed a little bit when I was younger, like maybe in the 70s, but never anything like this. And I got about, I don't know, what's that, 4 or 5 inches of snow. And you can't even see the other side. It's going to be fun cleaning this up in a couple days. Lots of twigs, and if anybody needs firewood, give me a call. You could still hear branches cracking out there in the woods too. It's unreal. Well, they even canceled the Halloween party. No Halloween this year. That's my beautiful red maple. Oh, I hope it doesn't. I'll have to go over there and shake some of that snow off. And that's my little bush. That's totally bent over.